I stick my blue money in here. I want my ticket. I want my ticket. I want my ticket.
There's only $1 in there.
Dollar in there. Hey, could you get my dollar? Hey, Dad, could you get my money?
You have to do a dance for me first. Okay.
Could I get it?
Can you do a dance where you twirl? Can you twirl for me and then I'll give you $1?
Yeah.
Okay, twirl.
That's twirling.
Oh, that's a nice dance.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
The dolly.
Give the other one to Josiah.
No, I don't have money. Just money. What? Give me money.
What are you going to do with your money?
Well, I'm going to put it in my train jar.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, Dad, could you give me my train jar?
It's right here.
What?
Isn't this it?
No. Dad, open it. Could you get, Dad, could you get my train, could you give me my, this is, wait, Dad, could you give me my train jar like that? Could you, please? I got dollar jar for Emma. It's for Emma to use the dollar jar. I'm the jar, Abby. Hey, Mommy. Hey, Daddy. This is Dad. Dad, listen to me. Dad, could you get me?
How do you ask?
Could you please? Could you please get my train jar? Dad, please. Please. Please, Dad, please. Me too, I want some. Look, Mom, there's a crack in my jar. There's a crack.